So this is a Grow Tower DIY version used from Dollar Tree. The top three, the two blue ones and that gray one, is a lettuce salad blend I'm trying to use up. I don't know. And then this one here are French dressing radishes. The next one is Crimson Giant. And then the third one are Pink Lady Slipper radishes. They're coming in beautifully. And then the next few are supposed to be spinach, but I seem to only have one or two popping up. And then the last two are a mixture of two different brands of scallions. So far, nothing in those. Oh, wait, maybe right there. Right there. So, this is just for reference, so we know what I'm growing. Again, I don't think anything's coming up in the lettuce department. May need to get different lettuce seeds.